After Congress passed the American Rescue Plan earlier this year, Douglas County received around $110 million. Now the board is beginning to spend some of that money. And as 3 News Now reporter John Kipper tells us, some of the money will be used to give judges another option instead of cash bail.
Over $5 million of money from the American Rescue Plan was approved Tuesday by the Douglas County Board to use on the jail. While much of it will go towards paying staff and infrastructure improvements, they're also funding services that allow judges to give no bail to some people charged with crimes if they're low risk and no threat to the public.
To me, it makes more sense that the community will be safer if we take individuals who don't pose an imminent threat and manage them in the community with services and resources.
That's Corrections Director Mike Myers, who was quick to point out that the county is not ending cash bail, and judges will continue to have that option.
We are simply just providing the judges more choices.
Myers says some offenders are jailed until they're sentenced, and then sometimes go back into society with no job or housing.
A lot of their life, their assets in their community are going to deteriorate, and when they were released, they're in a much worse place and probably at a greater risk to the community.
The move seemed to have broad support with the Douglas County Board. Board member Mike Friend wants data on how the program is working, so if issues arise, they can evaluate that data to see exactly how the program is going.
The more data, the better, and the easier that we can get that information out to our constituents, it's gonna make those issues less acute.
Board member Jim Kavanaugh says it'll help keep the jail from overcrowding, as well as save money.
It costs a lot of money to keep people locked up, and if they're not a danger to the community, we can save a lot of money by helping them get back into the community and helping them become productive citizens.
Now, there's still a lot of that ARPA money left to spend for the county, and Kavanaugh says they're next going to be looking to help out small businesses affected by the pandemic, as well as bolstering the county's mental health services.